Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to insert the SIM in this device. So in this device, at the bottom of the device, you can see here is the SIM tray. You can see here is the SIM tray, and to insert the SIM we can insert the SIM using this SIM ejecting tool, and you will get the SIM ejecting tool with that box itself. Now now insert the SIM ejecting tool inside this hole. Tap on insert this one and just press. You can see the SIM tray is now ejected. Now pull the SIM tray. Now you can see the SIM tray is ejected. You can see, right? So this is for the dual SIM, and here we can place the SIM 1. This is for SIM 1, and this is for SIM 2 and the micro SD card. Okay, so here I am going to place the SIM on the SIM 1 tray. So like this we can place the SIM 1 and just press it. Then you can hear one sound. Yeah. Okay. Now the SIM is secure in this SIM tray. Now I am going to put the SIM tray inside this device. Just place the SIM tray and just press it. Now just wait for a few seconds. The device will detect the SIM. Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, now you can see the device is detected this SIM. Now you can see the range, right? So simply in this way you can insert the SIM in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.